Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another exciting car service video. In today's video, we are going to be doing the general servicing of this Hyundai i10. Now guys, everything that gets covered in our general servicing is going to be documented in today's video with regards to all the inspections, our underbody inspection, our electrical inspection and many more. So make sure to watch the video all the way till the end because towards the end, we are going to be telling you the total cost of the general servicing of this Hyundai i10. Anyway, let's get started with the video. Now guys, about MotoFyx. Guys, MotoFyx is India's fastest growing network of new age car repair workshops that believes in a complete transparent and a hassle-free relationship with our customers. We have over 100 workshops scattered all across the country in 5 major cities and over 1.5 lakh happy customers. Now guys, if you happen to visit our workshops, you'll see that we use the latest in tools and technology and we have a team of highly skilled technicians taking care of your car at all times. Now guys, when we work on your car, we only use genuine OEM parts. We also provide a free pickup and drop service and we send you a real-time update of the work that gets done on your car. Now guys, if you're stumbling upon one of our videos for the first time and you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing because we make a ton of automobile content. We make videos on general servicing like the one that you're seeing right now. We also have videos with second-hand cars with MotoFyx Advantage where you can buy a second-hand car with a 1-year unconditional MotoFyx warranty. And we have a lot of more videos. So guys, do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and make sure to hit that like button at the end of this video if you do enjoy this video. Also guys, remember you can follow us on Instagram to get daily updates of the work that gets done in our workshops. Now guys, before we start the video, let's talk about the pricing of the spare parts that we're going to be using in today's video. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is the oil. So in today's video, we are going to be using the 5W30 oil. This is the regular oil. Now guys, remember you all can upgrade to the 5W40 fully synthetic oil that will boost the performance of your engine, but that will also increase the price of the general servicing. Now the oil that we're going to be using today is a 5W30 oil and that costs 1,575. So every time you change the oil, you have to change the oil filter as well. And so we are going to be replacing the oil filter and the cost of this oil filter is 175 rupees. Now guys, we're also going to be examining the air filter for this car. Now the air filter for this car is going to be examined by a technician and it's going to be serviced if possible. And otherwise it's going to be replaced. But before we replace it, we're going to be getting a go-ahead from the owner. And that's at an additional cost if we replace it. Now the air filter for this i10 costs 400 rupees. Now the other thing that we're going to be topping up in this car is the coolant and the .4 brake fluid. Now the coolant is the coolant that is required for this i10 and this costs 350 rupees. And the brake fluid that's required for this i10 costs 131 rupees. So guys, the first step of our general servicing starts with protecting your car. So we're going to be putting a fender protection and a seat protection on the driver's seat. But before that guys, let me introduce our head technician, Mr. Abu, is going to be doing a general servicing for this car. Now guys, we want to make sure that your car is protected at all times when our technicians are working. So we put a seat cover and a fender protection. Now guys, in the next step, we're going to be lifting the car up on the hydraulic ramp and we're going to be checking the ball joint and the rack plate. We're also going to be doing the underbody inspection, the brake inspection.
ये हम लोग व्हील बेयरिंग चेक कर रहे हैं और रैक में कुछ प्ले है क्या वो भी चेक कर रहे हैं। बेयरिंग में कुछ नॉइज़ तो नहीं है और रैक में कुछ प्ले भी नहीं है। ऐसा ही पीछे का रियर का व्हील बेयरिंग चेक करेंगे और रिपोर्ट देंगे। अभी रियर का व्हील बेयरिंग चेक हो रहा है और बेयरिंग में कोई नॉइज़ नहीं है।
Now guys, in the next step, we're going to be demounting all 4 tires and doing the brake inspection. The front disc brakes and the rear drum brakes are going to be examined and inspected by a technician.
अभी ब्रेक पैड तो गुड कंडीशन में, ब्रेक पैड की कंडीशन अच्छी है। डिस्क में रस्टी हो गया है तो इसको स्कीमिंग करना पड़ेगा और ये पहले हम लोग कस्टमर को कोटेशन भेजेंगे। अगर कस्टमर अप्रूवल देता है तो फिर इसके बाद हम लोग इसका स्कीमिंग करके इसको इंस्टॉल करेंगे। अभी फ्रंट के दोनों ब्रेक चेक होएंगे, फिर उसके बाद रियर के दोनों ब्रेक चेक होएगा। ब्रेक का पॉलिश हो रहा है। ब्रेक पॉलिश होने के बाद इसको फिट कर देंगे। उसके बाद पीछे के ब्रेक पे जाएंगे, उसको डायग्नोस करेंगे और उसका रिपोर्ट कस्टमर को शेयर करेंगे। अभी पीछे इसका व्हील सिलेंडर चेक होएगा और ब्रेक लाइनर चेक होएगा और व्हील सिलेंडर में कुछ लीकेज है क्या वो भी चेक होएगा और लाइनर की थिकनेस चेक होएगी। इसकी भी लाइनर की थिकनेस भी ओके है और व्हील सिलेंडर में भी कुछ लीकेज नहीं है। अब इसका पॉलिश होएगा और फिर इसको फिक्स कर दिया जाएगा।
Now guys, in the next step, we're going to be lifting the car further up and we're going to be doing a complete underbody inspection where our technician is going to be telling you all what all gets checked in our underbody inspection.
अभी हम लोग अंडरबॉडी में इसका लोअर आर्म बुशिंग, स्टेयरिंग रैक बॉल जॉइंट्स एंड लिंकेज, शॉकअप कहीं से लीकेज है क्या, डैमेज है कोई बॉडी। फिर उसके बाद ये इंजन माउंट का रबर जो रहता है वो कट तो नहीं हुआ है। देन फिर साइलेंसर, यहीं से कुछ यहाँ जैसे देख सकते हो ये साइलेंसर फटा है, इसका अभी हम लोग कस्टमर को बताएंगे और उसके बाद कस्टमर का अप्रूवल आने के बाद इसका हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे। और कुछ लीकेज, इंजन ऑयल वगैरह लीकेज है क्या, गियर ऑयल, इंजन ऑयल, एक्सेल में प्ले। अभी रियर का शॉकअप देख रहे हैं, शॉकअप लीकेज वगैरह तो नहीं है, ये सब अंडर बॉडी के इस इन्फेक्शन में आ जाता है। और ऐसा कुछ लीकेज तो नहीं है, ये साइड भी नहीं है, और मफलर भी डैमेज वगैरह तो नहीं है, डैमेज भी नहीं है मफलर भी।
Now guys, in the next step, we are going to be draining out the old oil. Since we have the car up on the hydraulic ramp, we are going to be draining the old oil, and after that we are going to be mounting all 4 tires, bringing the car down, changing the oil filter and putting in the new oil. So now guys, we are going to be draining out the oil from the drain plug. After all the oil has been drained, like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be getting the car down and changing the oil filter and putting in the new oil. A real-time update of draining the oil is also shared with the customer. Now that we remove the oil, we are going to be putting the drain plug back in. We're going to be tightening it and then moving on to the next step. Now guys, that we have put the oil filter, we are going to be putting in the oil. In today's video, for this i10, we are going to be putting the 5W30 oil. This is the regular oil that we are putting in today's video at the cost of the general servicing. Guys, you can choose to upgrade to a 5W40 fully synthetic oil that will boost the performance of your engine, but will also be at an additional cost over the cost of the general servicing. Full 3.5 liters of oil is going to go inside this Hyundai i10. Now that we have put in all the oil, the 3.5 liters oil, we are going to be checking the gauge to see if the mark is in the right location. Having done that, we are going to be moving on to the next step. So now in the next step, we are going to be topping up the coolant. We are going to be checking the level, the maximum and the minimum level, and then we are going to be topping up the coolant. Now this coolant is the coolant that is required for this i10. So the next step, we are going to be filling up the .4 brake fluid. Again, we are going to be checking the minimum and the maximum level and making sure that it is topped up to the maximum level. So guys, in the next step, we are going to be checking the condition of the air filter. If the air filter is salvageable and it just needs to be serviced, we are going to be servicing it. But according to our technicians, this needs to be replaced. You can check the condition of the new air filter as compared to the old one. The owner has given the go-ahead, so we are going to be changing the air filter for this car. And this is at an additional cost over the cost of the general servicing. Both the air filter and the AC filter replacement is at an additional cost over the cost of the general servicing. So now guys, in the next step, we are going to be checking the health of the battery. So we're going to be starting the car up for multiple times and we're also going to put on the headlamps to see how much battery is getting drained. We're going to be using the multimeter for this.
बंद करो, हेडलाइट स्टार्ट करो.
By starting the car up and putting on the headlamps while the car is off, we are going to be seeing how much battery gets sucked. So guys, in the next step, our technician is going to be removing the spark plugs. We are going to be removing all 4 spark plugs and checking the health. We do this with a feeler gauge.
So this is the feeler gauge which we'll be using to inspect the gap between the spark plug electrodes. Spark plug gap is the electrodes are being diagnosed for the lower thickness and the upper electrodes. We'll be inspecting the shank for any cracks. We'll be inspecting the terminals for any carbon deposition. We'll be inspecting all the 4 spark plugs of the engine. And accordingly, if replacement is required, we'll replace the spark plug as well.
अभी टायर का इन्फेक्शन होगा. ये टायर के वॉल पे इसका टायर ईयर कब का है वो देखेंगे. 2016 का टायर है. एक मार्क होता है उससे इसको इस पर रख के उसका डेप्थ चेक करेंगे कि टायर का कंडीशन कैसा है.
Now guys, in the next step we're going to be doing the electrical inspection of the car. We're going to be checking all the electronics of the car with regards to the headlamps, the high beam, the horn, the wipers, the reverse lights. Then we're going to go inside and we're going to be checking the power windows, the FM, the AC cooling. We're also going to be checking the dashboard if there are any warning lights on the car. All this is going to be checked in our electrical inspection. Headlights, upper dipper, hazard, wiper, spray, horn, brakes, reverse. Okay. Now we are going to be checking the interior electronics of the car. We're going to be checking the power windows. We're going to be checking all 4 power windows. After that, we are going to be checking the FM, the AC cooling, cabin lights. So guys, now that the electronic inspection is completed, we are at the last step of the general servicing of this car. That is the washing of the car. We are going to be doing an external foam washing of the car, engine bay washing, a tire polishing, a dashboard polishing, and also an interior vacuuming of the car. And then the car will be ready to go back to the owner. Now guys, if you happen to watch the video all the way till here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a lot of more automobile content. And remember guys, you can also follow us on Instagram where you'll get daily updates of work that gets done in our workshop. Now guys, with the washing complete, the general servicing for this i10 is done and is ready to get back to its owner. Now guys, the total cost of the general servicing for this i10 is 2,899 rupees only, and in that you have used the 5W30 oil. Now guys, remember you can upgrade to a 5W40 fully synthetic oil that will boost the performance of your engine, but also be at an additional cost over the cost of the general servicing. Also remember that the air filter and the AC filter when replaced on the car is a cost that's additional to the cost of the general servicing. Now guys, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to like this video. And also remember guys, you can follow us on Instagram where you get daily updates of work that gets done in our workshop. Anyway guys, that wraps up this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe.